What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about a brand new affiliate network and a brand new method of promotion. And so this is definitely gonna be an important video if you're into affiliate marketing and basically you're just looking for a new way to monetize things and make money, okay? And so you'll be able to add this to your arsenal, all right? So the network we're talking about today is called WarriorPlus. And WarriorPlus is completely different than Clickbank, than CPA marketing, and all of that. And it's very, very different, but there's important things that it does well that you're not gonna get with the other networks, okay? And so basically I'm logged in here and you can easily create a brand new account. You don't need to go through the approval process like with Maxbounty or anything like that. It's available to everybody. All you need to do is create an account. And so I basically created an account, and here I am at the affiliate offers page, right? And basically there's a couple of things I want to talk about, right? The first thing is that a lot of these offers, they're basically targeted at entrepreneurs, right? So people that are making money, right? They're basically targeted to people that are trying to make money, right? It's not so much about consumption. It's about people that are trying to make money. And if you are, in business, in any kind of capacity, you understand that it's a lot easier to sell things, products, and services to people that are trying to make money than to sell products and services to people that are just, bored. Okay, it's a lot better because if I'm starting a business, I'm much more likely to buy something that's going to help me make more money, okay? And so, as opposed to somebody who's just chilling and they're just looking to waste time, they're bored, they're trying to kind of, get out of the boredom and all that. And so a lot of these products are great, right? Because they are targeted to entrepreneurs. So people like me, people like you in various capacity, regardless where you are on your journey, okay? And so let's take a look at this. We have Boss Funnels, Swarm, Brand Marketer. We have Vidzi Presso, Profit Product Creator, right? There's a lot of interesting products that you're not gonna really find at Clickbank, because Clickbank is mostly for consumers, and CPA marketing, the majority of offers are also for consumers, and this is a lot of for affiliate marketers, right? This is for business people who are trying to make money. So if you have the right audience, you can easily promote offers here. And I'm going to show you a great method in a little bit where we're going to take a great offer and I'm going to show you how to promote it in this video. All right, so the next thing you want to take a look is the release date, right? There's the release date when the product was released. There's the sales, conversion rate, visitor value, right? This is the average visitor value. So, if you're sending traffic, this is the average, the amount of the visitor, right? With it, if you take into account the sale price, right? So on average, let's say you're sending 10 people and only one of them converts. On average, you're gonna get a visitor value. And so obviously, the higher the visitor value, the better it is, right? So we have the average sale and the refund rate. So you have a lot of these things. Then you have this metric here. This is the pulse, and you can read more about it. This is Pulse Indicator of Affiliate Performance for that offer over the past few months. A higher pulse would indicate more overall activity for an offer based on the number of different people making sales, as well as some other factors related to overall sales number. And so you have here a pulse, right? The higher, the better. And so, I really like it because, I'm an affiliate marketer, right? I spend a lot of time and I deal with other affiliate marketers. So a lot of you watching this video, you're interested in making money. So you're probably going to have use for a lot of these products. And you should be looking at it the same way, is that you will be able to promote these products to other affiliate marketers. And so you have to understand, first of all, what kind of products, right? We have Boss Funnel. So let's open this product real quick and see what it's all about, just to get an idea, because this product has 3,000 plus sales, 20% conversion rate, and a 7% refund, right? So we're gonna open it up, and so we're gonna take a look, okay? And so here's the product, right? This is a world's first viral funnel builder, okay? And so this is funnels, right? And as we know, funnels are very, very important. They also have some contests, which is pretty cool, actually. Top 3 affiliates will win a brand new iPhone SE. $3,000 contest plus win a MacBook Air 2020 editions. Actually, like back in my journey when I started out as an affiliate marketer, like long time ago, right? They had a really great prize. You know, I was basically participating in a network, and that network doesn't exist today, and they were basically giving away prizes, and that was very cool. And so I also won a couple of prizes. So I'm very familiar with this method. This is pretty cool, right? So we have offer stats, 3,000 sales, visitor value, 7% refund, conversion rate, and we have this, right? This is the commission range. We can look at the funnel map, and you can basically get a better idea. And here's the funnel map. We have this one-time offer. This is OTO, one-time offer. We have with downsells, and we have like a crazy funnel, right? So we have the main page. And then as they're going through the funnel, they're presented different things. And if you're not familiar, what is OTO, one-time offer, things like that, you really need to understand this because it's going to help you out on your kind of affiliate journey. Okay, so this is something you need to understand. And so there's a lot of interesting things, right? And then they're basically selling a lot of products, right? And so depending on the products that you're going to be able to, you know, get sold, the visitor is going to buy, you're going to have a certain commission, right? And here's the dollar value and the percentage. And so they have a ton of products. They have 17 products. We can check out their sales page here. We can open it up and we can take a look what's happening there. And here's Get Boss Funnels. And we want to take a look, right? What exactly are they selling? Because I know there's ClickFunnels. I know there's cart flows. There's a lot of really good products in this market segment. So I want to get an idea what exactly they're selling, just to see if this is something. And so we all know funnels is always making money, right? ClickFunnels exists, but there's a lot of other competitors, right? I named a few, and here's another one. And so done for you funnels in one click, free viral traffic built in, etc., etc. So we're basically looking, right, and finally enjoy the power of viral sales funnels, right? So funnels are always great, right? Funnels are always going to make money. And so you have a product here, and we can go back to the landing page. Now, for a lot of these offers, you have to be approved. And being approved is very, very simple. All you need to do is basically click request and tell the vendor a little bit about what you're doing. And I'm going to show you a product that I was approved for and a really cool offer, and I will teach you how to promote it as well. And so here you are. You can basically, you must be approved. So I can basically click on request approval, and I can basically tell them a little bit. Right now, when you are doing this, let me give you a couple of hints. This is not Maxbounty where you have to, like, you know, sign your life away or anything like that. This is actually very simple. You just need to tell a little bit about what you're trying to do. Hi. So for instance, I would write something like this. Hi, I'm interested in promoting this product to my Make Money Online email list. Okay, I'm interested in promoting this product to my MMO email list or something like that. So I may also run FB ads through a landing page. That's it. You just want to give an impression that you weren't born yesterday, that you understand how affiliate marketing works, and you're not going to be a pain. You're not going to send BS traffic. You're not going to be a burden. You know what's up, because they don't want to just allow everybody to promote. And also, if you have a website, you can have a link to your website. Maybe you have a Make Money Online website, but as you can see, this is not really required, right? And so let me show you an offer that I found that I'm going to be promoting. And what you can do is basically, you can go on all offers, and I'm going to click on approved only. And I have this one offer offer product that I really like. And this is a product I've been kind of promoting every now and then. I'm going to show you a couple of really nice methods of promoting. This is called YT Supremacy. And this product is targeted to people who are interested in building a YouTube channel. So anybody who wants to build a YouTube channel, anybody who wants to monetize a YouTube channel, build authority YouTube channels and rank videos faster and higher than ever on both YouTube and Google for promoting affiliate products on your own. And so we're getting 100% front end and then 50% the rest of the funnel. And that's fantastic, right? And so take a look at this. There's 1,000 plus sales, 8% conversion rate, less than 4% refund rate, right? So it's not It's not a BS product where people buy it and they immediately ask for a refund. This is, this is a very low refund rate, right? A visitor value of 139 and a pulse of this. So we don't really care about pulse that much. Pulse is like, it's a popularity contest. We're not looking for that. We're just looking for a cool product, right? And so here's the funnel map. We have YT supremacy. This is upsell, right? One-time upsell number one, one-time upsell number two. And we're getting 100% of this and then 50% of that. They have 3 products. So we're getting 100% of this, 50% of this. And so why am I telling you this, right? In my opinion, it's like this product is ideal for the method that I'm going to show you, right? There's no other product. There's no other network, right? Like, I don't know any Clickbank offers or, CPA marketing offers that are ideal, right? You have to look at things as like a toolbox, right? There's a tool for every situation, right? And this is a perfect example of what I'm going to show you in a second. So we have this funnel map. We have an overview, right? And the way you're going to promoting, right? You're going to be basically the best way, in my opinion. There's a couple of ways, right? Let me show you a couple of ways. So the first way is by creating a YouTube channel that's something like this. So it's going to be a YouTube channel that teaches people how to build a YouTube channel, essentially. And you don't need to have obviously it's much better if you have a successful YouTube channel, but you don't need to have a successful, you just need to have an ability of teaching people how to build a channel very, very quickly, right? And so you have here an example, Think Media, right? They're really big on teaching people how to build a YouTube channel, right? So they have this so they're doing video reviews, they're doing product reviews. You can ignore that stuff. What you need to be focusing on is stuff like this, how to overcome the fear of being judged on YouTube, right? This is about building how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 2020, 5 tips. And if you've seen one of my previous videos, you understand that I talked about long tail keywords. And I'm going to have a link to that video above so you can kind of learn more about it. But in a nutshell, it means creating videos or creating content that's very specific. So not something like how to start a YouTube channel. It's got to be how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 2025 tips. And so get more views, 5 must-know tips before you shoot your videos, right? All of these are essential, right? How long it takes to get monetized. So all of these are ideal for the kind of content you're going to create, right? And for me, this is perfect, right? So for instance, I have a rapidly growing YouTube channel. I'm actually thinking about maybe starting another channel that will teach others on how to have a successful YouTube channel. I mean, it's one of my ideas. It's one of my plans. And that product is going to be perfect, okay? And so this is a good idea. Another kind of channel that is even more applicable to what you want to do is by this guy, Nick Niman, right? And he has 610,000 subs, right? And don't let that intimidate you, right? Don't be intimidated by that number. We all started from 0. And so he's saying get monetized fast, get more YouTube views and subscribers, YouTube settings you should know about. And so all his channel is about growing your YouTube channel, right? That's all he talks about. And so this guy is ideal for promoting something like YT supremacy. Okay, it's ideal. In my example, this is ideal. This is a great product. Actually, this guy has his own YouTube channel where he teaches you different techniques and stuff. So he is legit. He's not like, it's a real person, right? It's not like some avatar and, he has, it's a real name. He's legit, right? He's a top 25% vendor. He's had 2 featured offers, top 25% vendor. He has a quality product. And obviously, you don't need to promote this specific product. I'm just showing you where this fits in, right? Because if I want to start another YouTube channel or a website that teaches people how to promote, how to grow their own YouTube channel, this product is like the perfect fit, right? And if you want to do something else, you can go out and find another product there as well. It doesn't really matter. But the point is, you're not going to find this on Clickbank. You're not going to find this anywhere else. And so I was already approved. I can just click on link details. And I have a link right here. There's a couple of bonus URLs, right? If I want to give out bonuses, webhook URLs, that is something else. That's just to get responses back if I'm actually tracking it on my own system. But that's something else. And so all I have to do is basically, send out this affiliate link. And the way you would do it is you would basically start a channel like this, right? And you would basically create content such as this. So for instance, I will type how to get more views on YouTube. And so this is a perfect example of a search phrase that you want to target. Now, if you go back, you see a lot of these search terms, right? These are long tail phrases, right? In 2020, new strategies, right? You have a lot of these other channels and a lot of content ideas. And so if you want to go down this route, you have the perfect offer. Like I said, you're not going to find this offer anywhere else. But you don't need to do it this way, right? You don't need to do it this way. You can also talk about funnels, right? You can have a channel about funnels. You can have a channel about building an email list. You can have a channel about building traffic, right? And you're going to find a great offer in here, right? Here's a funnel offer. Here's something else. And so in my opinion, this is important for everybody, right? You owe it to yourself to at least come here and basically look at what kind of offers you have, right? So for instance, we're going to go and basically take a look at all the offers here, and you can basically get an idea. The other option is you can basically start a site that has the same kind of content, right? And so you basically go out, you register a domain. I recommend using Bluehost, and you should use the link that I have below in the description of the video to get the special deal. It's only like $3 a month, $4 a month, and you're basically gonna create content, right? You're basically gonna go on Google, and you know, if you go on Google, I will show you how it works, and you just basically type something like this: how to start a YouTube channel, okay, for kids. Well, you don't need to earn money, right? So this would be an example of a piece of content that you're gonna create: how to start a YouTube channel and earn money. And then if I go back, I will say full tutorial, right? And the longer the key phrase, the more words you have, the more specific it is, and the better chance for you to be able to rank for it, right? And so in this example, this is kind of what I'm planning on doing personally. I haven't decided yet, but this is something I'm planning on doing. And I will easily be able to promote this product, which is ideal for me. And so you can do it in any kind of vertical that you want, using any kind of product. So here's funnels, right? Let's go back and take a look. There's Vidzi, Presso, and Print Monkey, Snatchit. I urge you to take a look at their visitor value and the refund rate. You don't want to be promoting something that has a fairly high refund rate. So 1 out of 6 people is asking for a refund. That's kind of a lot in my book, right? So maybe 5% or lower, I think, would be 22% click and bank, right? That's almost it's like almost 1 out of 4 people are asking for a refund. And as you know, if they are asking for a refund, they're going to get their money back. You're not going to get that commission. So I don't know if I would be promoting something like this. And so definitely sign up. It's a lot easier than Maxbounty in a lot of regards. Getting approved for an offer is also very, very simple. They're just, they're not very strict about it. They just don't want to open it to the entire world. And also it's a method to introduce some exclusivity as well, right? Because it's not like everybody wants to request it, right? And you're like, oh, okay, I need to be requested. That means it's a good offer and it's a legit offer. So think about that. And that is kind of what I wanted to talk about, right? I just wanted to show you another method of promoting it. I'm going to be actually doing this live. I'm going to be actually using this method, building a site, making money this way. And so while I've been successful with Clickbank and Maxbounty, I'm always exploring other ways to make money, other avenues. And this is something you should take a look at. All right, guys. So that is all I have for you for today. I really, really hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have any questions or comments about anything I talked about in this video, leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.